Building my PC, part 2. This time we have my gaming rig. First things first, we're going to put in the CPU, close the top, and lock it down. Next we're going to install the RAM, connect all the wires, and this is the hardest part about putting together a PC. It's putting on the cables for the case. Then we connect the USB 3 wire, then the exhaust fan, and the intake, bust out the trusty thermal paste, and a dot in the center. In case you're wondering, yes, I did clean up before. Tighten your four corners and make sure it's tight, then plug it in, and finally installing the GPUs. Number 2, get your screws and tighten it up, and done.